What's up guys, Mike here from Academy.fm, and today we're going to be going through how to make vocoder loops with Vocal Synth from Izotope. So I have a Cymatics vocal loop here. I'm just going to play through it and let you hear what it sounds like. Okay, so the goal here is to kind of map that vocal loop to the MIDI. I'm just going to play you the MIDI quickly and let you hear what that sounds like. All right, cool. So what we're going to want to do first is take off the synth that you might have on your MIDI while you're writing it so that it's an empty MIDI layer. The second thing we're going to want to do is open up Izotope Vocal Synth, turn off your 3 engines that are on when you open up the synth, and leave on the vocoder. Turn the vocoder level to 100. And you're going to want to turn on the MIDI mode. You can go ahead and close Izotope. And you're going to want to route the output to the vocal stem. From MIDI 2 to the vocal stem. Okay, if you go back in here, you can play with the parameters and the algorithms to find something that you like. Awesome, guys. So now what I like to do, because this might sound a little bit weak or weird, you want to duplicate your vocal stem and take off Izotope and play it naturally over top of the vocoded one, and I'll just let you hear what that sounds like. It sounds way bigger, way more fun, super summertime, super Zedd, super useful, super easy to do. Thanks for watching, guys. That was how to use Izotope Vocal Synth to make vocoder loops. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it, and I hope you guys watch the other Izotope videos, and we'll see you next time.